Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a theme. Some of these settings are hidden or managed by your organization in Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your settings, personalizations theme. Now you can see that error occur. Some of these settings are hidden or managed by organization. So how can fix? First of all, in the search box type gp edit.msc and open it. After doing this stat, go to your selector template and expand it. After doing this stat, select a control panel and expand it. After doing this stat, select a personalization, select a prevent changing theme, select a non configured, apply and OK. After doing this stat, close it. After doing this stat, in the search box type a cmd, open a command prompt, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command gp update /force and press enter. After doing this test, it's required of a few seconds to complete. Now you can see that your group list updates successfully. So after exit and press enter. After doing this test, go to your settings, personalization, themes. Now you can see that error has been fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.